In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to order on Jumia and pay on delivery. So there are two ways in which you can order on Jumia and pay on delivery. The first method is by contacting the Jumia support center to place your order. You can see call to order. So this is the number you can actually call to order, and you're going to tell them that you want the order to be a pay on delivery. So once you tell them, they're gonna ask you much details about you, or if you have access to WhatsApp, they're gonna tell you that they're gonna message you on WhatsApp, or you should message them or contact them on WhatsApp so that they can have more details about you and about what you actually want to buy. Then once the order is available in your state or location, one of the customer support center from Jumia, they're gonna call you that your order is ready and you can come to receive that order. Then that time you're gonna know that okay, you should be going there with the money equivalent. They're gonna tell you how much the order cost, then you're gonna pay that and get the delivery. The next one is to check on that particular product if it have pay on delivery, because not all the order on Jumia have pay on delivery, but you can actually check on that particular product if it has a pay on delivery tag on it. You can see if I click on home essentials, then I click on any product. Let's say I click on this fan right here, then I scroll down, or maybe add it to cart. Let me see, add to cart. Okay, I already added to cart. Then let me check my cart at the top right. Then let me see the product right there. Okay, this is the product. Then scroll all the way down to, sorry, where is the other page? All right, continue to check out. Okay, this is the continue to check out. You can see checkout right here. So let me click on checkout. Then you can see my details right here. Then okay, select the address. Okay, select address. So let me select an address, then click on invalid address. Please review the information provided. I think this is the right one. Okay, I don't know why it's saying the address is not correct, but then the address is correct, and that is okay. Let me edit this. Invalid. I guess. Okay, let me quickly do this. Just want to show you how this works. So you can see these are the available delivery location. Okay, all right, so let me click on save and click on select address right here. Okay, you can see it's working now. So you see right there, this order is no pickup station selected. This option, you will need to add a pickup station near to your location. Okay, so you can see right here that they don't have pay on delivery on that particular order. So okay, I think I'm gonna go with this, for example. Then there is no pay on delivery on this particular order. If there is pay on delivery, it will be listed at the second option under the pay pickup station right there. So but then the pay on delivery is not listed. That means I cannot pay on delivery for this particular product. But then if you want pay on delivery on this particular product, then the next thing you're gonna do is to call the Jumia customer support center to place the order, and the order will be available for you to be shipped, and then you can pay on delivery once the order arrives to your destination. So that is how you can pay on delivery, and they can also deliver to your doorstep, and you're gonna make the payment at that point.